Okay, you said you taught Yiddish humor.
Yes.
Yiddish humor. Can you share with us some of the things that you did to people?
One of the things that I talked about was that Jewish humor always made fun of itself, of authority maybe, but like slapstick is not Jewish humor, even if it's done by Jewish comedians. And so all the Borscht Belt people who were comedians, their humor was, they made fun of themselves, they made fun of their situation. Seinfeld is Jewish humor because he talks about things that happen, he makes fun of his parents, of himself, etc. And so we would do it from that point of view. We talked about Jewish humor in literature, in the movies, on television, etc. And a lot of the people were not very happy with some of the what's his name? He was a rabbi, and he always he spoke with an accent.
Jackie Mason.
Jackie Mason. They didn't like Jackie Mason because he made fun of the Jews and meret nicht vor goyim. You don't speak like that about Jews in front of Gentiles. They have enough to be anti-Semitic. You don't give them more thing. So it was a very interesting course from that point of view.